Hi, how's it going, folks? Hope you guys have been doing good today. um, so now you guys remember seeing the other video that I chugged a can of Pepsi. This time, um, I'm going to do it again. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this again. So here we go. This time I'm just gonna go for it. No talking. No wasting time. No wasting time. I'm just gonna go for it. Ah, oh, wait for it. Oh come on. I'm gonna go fast this time. That's what I'm doing. No. Oh my god. I did it already. That right there was just. So yeah, you guys just saw the. All right.